Hi everyone, let's begin today's makeup. So I'm taking this Good Vibes lemon serum and I'm going to apply it on my face. So this serum is really good for oil controlling and I am a oily skin type, so I prefer this before applying makeup. Especially when I apply makeup for a day, I use this serum. After this serum sets on your face nicely, then I am applying this NY Bae Blur-In Primer. Apply it on your pores and wherever it needed. My full face has large pores, so I prefer to apply all over my face. If you are a dry skin type, then apply only where it needed. Then wait few minutes to set your primer on your face, then move into foundation. I'm using this Fit Me foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 2020. This foundation is really great for day look because this is a matte foundation. This foundation lasts for a longer time. So whenever you are getting ready for a day event, then apply your foundation in really little amount so your makeup won't cakes up or your makeup look very heavy. Next we are moving to concealer. This is Swiss Beauty concealer. I really love this concealer. This is full coverage and also this blends like butter. So always blend your concealer toward outside, so in your inner corner it won't look cakey or it won't gets cakey. Also take your time to blend it properly. Blending is the key for your perfect base. Apply concealer on your upper lid so your eyeshadow can look more pigmented and beautiful. Now we are going to set our face with this Maybelline Fit Me Compact. Next we are using this e.l.f. Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. This is in shade neutral brown. This eyebrow pencil is really great. So if you have really thick brows like me, just go for this shade. This is gonna suit you. Next we are moving to eyeshadow. This is Morphe eyeshadow palette. So I'm applying a pink eyeshadow in my crease and I'll take it to the inner corner and blend it properly. Also then I took a orangey shade to blend out my crease. If you want to make your eyeshadow look really perfect, then keep blending and blending. Next I'm going to fill this inner lid with that same pink shadow. To me, eyeshadows are incomplete without glitter, so I'm applying a little bit of glitter and applying a little bit of eyeshadow on my lower eyelid to make my eyes look more bigger. So next I'm using this Yvonne Simply Pretty eyeliner. I made a huge wide eyeliner look. So I'm taking a purpley shade from that same palette to use as blush, and it really turned out so pretty well. So now it's time for my favorite makeup product. This is e.l.f. Cosmetics highlighter. This is in shade 24 karat gold and this looks really pretty on Indian skin tone. Next moving to mascara. This is Maybelline Colossal Volumizing Mascara. This really works as it says. Moving to next step, I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in shade Cherry Brown. Next using this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. This is in shade burgundy blush and it's a pretty good shade. It gonna suit every skin tone. And yes, we are done with our makeup. So this is really simple, quick, easy makeup tutorial. You can make same makeup look with following the same steps. Also, if you like my makeup videos, please check out my channel and watch my other makeup videos too. And thank you so much for watching.